mpagaze hano imbere yanyu.
Before anything, I thank God because I'm standing right here in front of you.
Amashimwe ni menshi ariko ntitwavuga tuyarangiza.
Our Thanksgiving is just full and we cannot speak of it fully.
Ariko ishimwe mvuga nuko nshima Imana ko mpagaze hano narakijijwe.
But the only Thanksgiving that I'm about to give is I thank God because I am here and I've been saved and have received Christ.
Hari abantu benshi twabanye guhera Uvira.
There's a lot of people that we lived together ever since in Uvira,
mu Burundi na hano.
Burundi and here also.
Ariko abo twabanye nkiri mutoya bose ndizera ko hafi ya bose twanduranye mbese
But
aho naca hose ndagendaga nsite ibara.
In my childhood, whoever I lived with, everybody knew me because I was just a troublemaker.
Kandi ahari byenda sinabatse imbabazi uwo nivye ambabarira.
And I know that maybe I never asked for forgiveness, but if I've ever stole from you, forgive me.
Nari umwana mwiza ariko kandi ntari mwiza.
I was a nice kid, but I was not that good of a kid.
Ndashima Imana ko nahuye na muzehe narakijijwe ubundi twabanaga ari umubyeyi wanje ariko twari tutaraganira.
I thank God because I met this servant of God after I received Christ, but we used to live together before I received Christ.
Ako narashimye umunsi twaganiriye narakijijwe kuko hari cyo byanyigishije.
And I thank God that when I got a chance to talk to him after I was saved, and it helped me.
N'abandi bose nuko nguko.
And other people, it's just like that.
Hari indirimbo ndi buririmbe yamfashije kandi icyo gihe nari umupagana ariko nkayiririmba nasinze namwe
There is a song that touched me in that time, and it touched my heart. Even though I was a sinner, I would drink and do all of that.
Kandi iyo ndirimbo nayumvishe nkiri mutoya igihe abantu bavuye muri Zura.
And I heard that song when I was little as people were coming from Vyura.
Namba ntibeshe hari muri 99 hagati aho no mu 2002 cyangwa na rimwe.
If I am right, it's maybe 1999 or in the 2000s.
Kandi namba hari umuntu uyizi yamfasha n'indirimbo ivuga ngo.
And if any of you know it, you may help me.
N'indirimbo ivuga ngo kwa kweli mimi nimetosheka.
It is a song that says that fully I am satisfied.
Igasura kandi kavuga ngo njewe numva mpagijwe na Yesu wanje.
And I feel fully satisfied with my Christ.
Ubwo ngubwo abayizi bayimfashamo ariko mbere yuko ndirimba
For those who know it, please help me in singing it. But before we start singing, I'm going to read a word of God.
Reka dusome Zaburi 126.
We're going to read Psalms 126,
no kuri gatatu.
verse 3.
Haravuga ngo Uwiteka yadukoreye ibikomeye natwe turishimye.
It says that God has done great things and we're happy.
Ndashima ko Imana yampinduriye.
I thank God because He has changed my life.
Kuko bintera ishema.
Because it's of value to me.
Kuko igihe nasohoka muzehe yasohokaga agiye kubwiriza naye ngasohoka ngiye kwiba.
My dad would usually go outside preaching and I would go outside going to steal stuff.
Hari n'igihe bamukuraga kuri rutara bamubwira ati wa mwana wa bamufashe kariba.
And usually sometimes when he was preaching they would come and tell him, your kid is stealing somewhere, get out, go get your kid.
Ryazina ryo kuvuga ngo kwa pasiteri ahubwo akazavuga ngo iwabo na wa mwana w'umwibisi.
Instead of saying to the pastor's house, they would say to that kid who steals, to that thief's house, to the thief's house.
Imana ko izina rya pasiteri ryagarutse ubunye.
But I thank God for the name of the pastor that came back.
Murakoze.
Thank you.
Yose yuzuye amaganya n'imibabaro, isi yose yuzuye amaganya n'imibabaro itegwa n'umwanzi wacu satani itegwa n'umwanzi wacu satani itegwa n'umwanzi wacu satani itegwa n'umwanzi wacu satani. Uwo twamenye ni Yesu Kristo niwe murengezi wacu uturengera agwanyi imitima yacu nyamara dufite uwo twamenye Yesu Kristo niwe murengezi wacu uturengera nyenumva magijwe Yesu namenye uwo niwe gisubizo cy'ibibazo byanjye ibyo wankoreye mwami Yesu ni byinshi birahagije yuko ngukunda iteka umwami wanje Yesu aje ahinduka yitwaye Emmanuel Imana iri kumwe natwe nukuri jewe sinzatinya ndi kumwe nawe umwami wanje Yesu aje ahinduka yitwaye Emmanuel Imana iri kumwe natwe nukuri jewe sinzatinya ndi kumwe nawe nyenumva magijwe n'uwo Yesu namenye uwo niwe gisubizo cy'ibibazo byanjye ibyo wankoreye mwami Yesu ni byinshi